Hello and welcome to Cooking at Wally. My name's Ray Kelly. I'm an Aboriginal man from the east coast of Australia and I'm currently the Student Recruitment Officer here at the Newcastle University.
Hi, and I'm Raquel Harris. I'm a Larrakia woman from Darwin and I'm the Communications and Engagement Officer here at Wollotuka. As you're aware of the current situation regarding the COVID-19, we've had to make a few adjustments and arrangements around the celebration of National Reconciliation Week, and for that reason we're going online with a cooking show. Today, in celebrating National Reconciliation Week, we've got Bud here to show us his famous kangaroo patty burgers.
So the first step in preparing the patties, I'm going to get Ricky to chop some brown onion. Now I'm going to get her to dice that quite fine. Okay, so now that we've got our onion finely diced, I'm going to get stuck into our mince. We're going to take that, we're going to put that into a bowl. While I'm doing that, Ricky, could you please grab me some garlic cloves? Chop them up nice and neat. I'm going to add a little bit of oregano and some thyme, and just a little tiny bit of chilli.
Oh, come on, Bud.
Okay, a medium-sized chilli. So now that we have all of our herbs and spices finally chopped and ready to go, we're going to take our mince, we're going to mix it in with a big bowl with our brown onion. I don't like to get my fingers dirty, so I'm going to pass this over to Raquel. You'll also need some breadcrumbs and you'll also need 1 egg. Okay, so then patties are coming along really well. While Raquel shakes them and gets them into the size that she wants, I'm going to preheat our electric frying pan and I'm going to drizzle a slight little bit of olive oil so we can cook it without it sticking to the pan. Okay, so now we've got our patties on the pan. We're starting to smell that beautiful kangaroo coming through the building. So we're just going to leave those sit for a little bit, make sure you keep a close eye on those. And while they cook along, I'm going to get Raquel to move along to our red onion and also our capsicum.
Alright, so I've got red capsicum and the red onions, and we're going to caramelise these off once the patties are done.
Yeah, patties are coming along very nicely, ready for a flip. What we're going to do is we're going to flip them over and then we're going to just put a bit of cheese on. I'm going to put the top back on and give that cheese a really good chance to melt. Okay, so while we're waiting on the patties and our capsicum, what we're going to do is we're going to start preparing our salads. As I said, you can put anything that you like into your salads. We've got tomato, avocado, and we're using a leafy mix of spinach. Okay, so that caramelisation is coming along really well. I reckon I've probably got another minute to go. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start dressing our burgers up. Alright, there we go ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us at Cooking at Wally. This is our kangaroo burger. We hope that you get to try it. As I said, it's one of my favourites, been around my family for a very long time, and hopefully it'll be one of yours as well. I'd like to say thank you to my wonderful coach today for helping me, Raquel.
Thank you, Bud, for having me.
Happy Reconciliation Week everybody. In it together.